guys, it's Maya. Welcome back to my channel. It is currently Saturday. We just got back from like a week-long vacation at the beach, and so my room's a little bit of a mess, and I thought it'd be fun. I know you guys like these like cleaning videos and stuff, and I haven't done one really at all of my new room here in Panama, so I thought you guys would enjoy seeing that. I don't really have a place for a lot of things yet, just because it's still like a new room and I'm not really adjusted to, you know, having a place for everything yet. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. I thought I would take you guys along and show you what I'm doing. It's just a lot of clothes, a lot of clutter, mess everywhere. Before we get into this video, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and check me out on all my social medias and my Instagram and stuff. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. Hi guys, so I'm currently editing this video right now, and I just want to say, I've realized that like my last, I don't want to give a number, 5 videos, I've only been wearing like one shirt, and that's my Friends shirt. I don't even watch Friends. I love the shirt though. I don't know why, but you know when there's just that one shirt you just gravitate to a lot and it's just like there. I promise you I have 20 other t-shirts. I just don't know why I'm only wearing one. So yeah. Walking into my room, this is what it looks like. So I apologize for the lighting because it is nighttime right now. This is just an insane mess. I don't even know where to start. It's overwhelming me. This stuff in here, just I don't really have a place for like anything. It's just very, very messy. Dirty laundry, and this is also a mess. I want to go through and like organize, like have a place for like my clothes and what goes where, and finish hanging up some clothes because not all of it's hung up in here. I have all of this stuff, which is all my like toiletries. I'm gonna put all this away. This is my bathroom, and I need to put all of these away. So let's do this. Also, this is like very unorganized. It's like all of my makeup. I actually ended up bringing this diffuser with me, the one that I showed you guys in a few videos back that a company had sent me, which I'm super happy that I did because actually my cousins love using their diffusers too. So I brought these oils. I think I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm gonna do lavender. That's my go-to one. There we go. Perfect. So I have my sunglasses, my jewelry, my necklaces, and just this stuff. This stuff right here is for a company I'm working with. This is my bathroom, and it is pretty clean. All my like hygiene stuff, my makeup brushes, my toothbrush, this is just after shower care, stuff like that. This has my hair stuff in it. This has all of my makeup, which I know it's not the most organized, but it'll just have to do. So this is what it looks like now. Still not a place for everything, but it's a lot less like cluttered. This has like all my tech stuff in it again. It's not very pretty, but I mean, it's less cluttered than it was before. Now I just have to hang up all of this, and I don't really want to. So let's do it. I cleaned my closet, as you can tell, but I still have to do this. These are like all my shorts and pants and stuff. Clean this out because it's kind of just one big mess. Let me just tell you, I packed the wrong clothes to come here. I just finished folding. These are my jean shorts, these are my flowy shorts, these are my workout tops, t-shirts, And these are my workout pants and like sweatpants and leggings. And then these are my like, nicer pants, I guess you could say. I have jeans and then like flowy pants in here. All of this. And I don't even know how I'm gonna do it. Maybe I'm gonna hang up the rest of these first. I don't know if this looks any cleaner, but basically these are my bralettes, my underwear, my socks, and all my bathing suits, bathing suit tops, bathing suit bottoms. So hopefully this looks a little cleaner. I mean, it does look cleaner to me, but yes, that is everything. I sorted all my stuff from strapless to tank tops, t-shirts to dresses and long sleeves and jackets. This is all clean over here. So you walk into my room and this is the completed clean room tour. Well, not room tour. I mean, I don't really think I'm gonna do room tour because it's just like this. You guys see everything. I don't really know where any of this stuff is from, but this is my room. It's actually nighttime now. Close this. Oh, hi. This is where I keep all my shoes. Not the most organized, but I mean, it's just my shoes, so yes. So these are my doors. That is it for my completed room transformation, room tour slash cleaning, getting situated into my new room here in Panama. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry for this lighting too. It's making my face look super red. Make sure to check me out on all my social medias down below. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.